Welcome, Q Nation. This is Harry Q in the Chamber. Hope everyone's good. Today, we're looking at Lil Wayne, Carter 6, man. We're looking at... bro. Hey, brothers and sisters, I've been hearing some stuff, man. I even saw it in my last reaction in the comment section, basically saying that the album was trash, garbage. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, it's just a few comments. You know what I'm saying? Then I was at work, right? And they were all having conversations and stuff. And they kind of let slip that, yo, bro, the Carter 6 is a trash album. I'm like, bro. They actually use the word trash. And these guys, especially my colleague, are huge Wayne fans. Huge Wayne fans. You know what I mean? So for them to say the album is trash, not like it's not the very good in there, it's trash, that's a big deal. So I was like, wait a minute. I saw it in the comment section. Now, you guys, what's going on? So go online just to check, just get a feel of it. I didn't want to go online and check anything out, but the way things are going, I was like, you know what? Let me check some stuff out. And bro, Universal trashed them of the Carter 6, which is hurtful, man, because I am really hyped for this album. If you see my reactions, you know. I was like, yo, this album is going to be dangerous. It's going to be a problem. It's going to be a dangerous album, blah, blah. You get me? You get me? And now, my colleagues, especially my co-workers, those guys, I really trust their opinion, man, because we have the similar kind of taste in music, movies, all that kind of stuff. So for them to say this album is trash and seeing the Universal trash them, the different things I saw, bro, and the comment section all lined up, I was like, you know what, man? Okay, you know what? Let me react to some of this supposed trash music from Wayne on this album, you know what I'm saying? So today, I'm going to be reacting to Island Holiday and Peanuts to an Elephant, you know what I'm saying? I'll react to those two in this video right now, you know what I'm saying? To see if, you know what I mean? Because they were saying that these two are like the trashiest, probably one of the trashiest songs on the album, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what? Let me check them out and then see what's up, you know what I'm saying? Then we keep going from there. So right now, Island Holiday and Peanuts to an Elephant, double whammy, you know what I'm saying? Bro, okay. Q Nation, I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Let's get into this one. Or these ones. Oh man, okay, let's go.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find no words to say. All the things that come to you.
Okay, in case you didn't know, yes, I'm doing Island Holiday first and then Peanuts to an Elephant, so it's in order.
And I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun. And it makes me feel.
Wait, is he? Where have I heard this song before? Yeah, Island in the Sun, right? I've heard this song before. Am I tripping? This song sounds so familiar. Like how he's singing, it reminds me of a song. It sounds so familiar. What's the name of the song? I've forgotten. But this song sounds very familiar to something I've heard before. Like, unless I'm tripping. Okay, hang on. Let's see.
But I can't control my brain. Drinking, baby. Sip.
Hey, yeah. This is Weezer. Weezer, Island in the Sun, right? Unless I'm tripping. Yeah, Weezer. So what? Is he covering Weezer? Is he paying homage to them or something? Sounds like it. Unless I'm tripping, because I swear that's Weezer. Like Island in the Sun. Okay, right now. Okay, you know what? I'm sure this is just the chorus. So let me just give this a chance, right? This is probably a chorus, and then he's gonna do his rap. You know what I'm saying? This is Wayne, so let me give him the benefit of the doubt. I'm sure this is just a chorus, and he's gonna do something. You know what I mean? So here we go.
Just got paid, red my shades. I'm on Demon Town, in LA. Bad bitch on my plate, fed my face. Just got an acting coach to help me act my age. Fuck you, turn the page. Yeah.
I got an acting coach to help me act my age. Okay. So that wasn't the chorus. I mean that was the chorus, but he's not rapping. He's clearly like singing, which is nothing wrong with singing as long as it's good. But right now, this is. Oh, okay. Hang on. Okay, let's see.
Learn to say like my daughter Reginae. It's hell I raised, yeah. Smell like haze, yeah. I was raised on UGK when them hoes say VZF, VZF say UCK, bitch. Every day is a holiday. Feel like I just be the case. All the queens that come to you really wanna feel it too. On the island in the sun, breaking bread, you can have the crumbs. And it makes me feel so fire, I can't control my flame. Call a six, call a six, call a six. I'm gonna wizard a band on it.
Okay. Look, man. If you are a Wayne stan, you know those stans, right? Stans are not good stans, and there's bad stans. If you're a bad stan, you be like, oh my god, you know who they are. You can do no wrong. You know what I'm saying? And then they basically trash you for being objectively, critical with what you're thinking. And I gotta be real right now. This ain't good. Right now, this ain't good. This right, I get what he's doing. Like he's paying homage or covering the Weezer song, and he's doing that similar kind of thing. I thought he was gonna do something different, do his own twist, his take on it with rap, blah blah. Even with singing in a different way. This is just him just auto-tuning this. And I said in the last video that when it comes to auto-tune, I give Wayne a pass because he does it in a really good way. But this right here, just this ain't it. This ain't it. We can break bread. You can have the crumbs. Okay, but wow. I mean, this is not good so far. This is. I don't like doing these kind of reactions, man, because I like being hyped and excited. You know what I mean? And smiling. This ain't smiling, bro. This is pain smile. This is a painful smile.
We'll run away together. We'll spend some time forever. We'll never feel bad anymore. When you're on the golden sea, you don't need no memory. Just a place to call your own as we drift into the zone. On an island in the sun, breaking bread, you can have the crumbs. And it makes me feel so high, I can't control my brain. What you drinking, baby? Sip, sip. What you drinking, baby? Sip, sip.
I ain't gonna lie, Q Nation, this is painful, man. This is painful. Listen to Lil Wayne do this. This is painful. This is painful, man. I'm legit like I don't understand. I'm confused, bro. This is painful. This is really, really, really painful, man. Oh my God.
We baby sip, sip, I'm gonna wither the band on this one.
He's trying to rock out at the end of the road. Man, that is, oh my God. Yeah, nah, I can't. Nah, hang on. Is there any more? Is there any more? Okay.
My hand in her panties a tickle. She took half of her Zanny with liquor. I took the other half.
What was that?
Call me Bobby and Daddy or Mister. And I'm standing on business like Bigfoot. Yeah, I'm standing on business like Bigfoot. Got my hand in her panties a tickle. She took half of her Zanny with liquor. I took the other half and kissed her. Follow her on the gram, they dissed her. Right before they sang on listen.
I ain't gonna hold you. I didn't hear a word he just said at the end of that song, bro. I heard nothing. I think I heard "Call Me Daddy" or "Mister" or something like that. Apart from that, that was him rapping at the end with auto-tune. Usually, like I said, he does it well, but that wasn't done well at all. That was okay. Listen, man, I know Holiday. Yeah, that was trash. I'm sorry, that was trash. There was nothing in that song. I get what he was doing. He's paying homage to Weezer. I get you. Great. But bro, that was trash, man. You didn't do nothing unique with it. You didn't do any switch up with the beat. A little bit, but nothing nothing to set up like, ooh, you know what I mean? Like that was just oh. Sounds like you're doing a commercial for like a freaking cruise liner. You know what I mean? Like, you know those cruise liners have like all those like old people in there. You know, okay, not old people, but you know what I mean? Like those old like island, like literally an island holiday on cruise. You know what I mean? And then you play this in the freaking, you know, like in the ship for people to listen to. You know what I mean? It doesn't. There's nothing here. Nah, Island Holiday. Nah, bro, that's not a good song, man. That's trash. That's trash. I'm being objective right now. I'm not being. You've seen me. I've been hyped for Wayne. You've seen me. No, or in my reactions, I've been hyped for Wayne. I'm ready for this album. I've been waiting for it. I've only heard one song, which is "Welcome to Carter," banger. I listen to this one. This is part of the worst songs, and this is. I get why. Yeah, this is not a good song. This is trash. That was trash. Island Holiday is trash. 100% trash. There's nothing there. I wouldn't play it. I wouldn't bop to it. Nothing. It's trash. And I'm surprised that Wayne, bro, that was terrible. That was. All right. Peanuts to Elephants next. I mean, yeah. Man, I'm worried for this one. I mean, Jesus Christ. I heard at the beginning there before I went back. Bruh, okay. Peanuts to an Elephant. Oh my God, man. Let's do it.
What up, though? All my niggas cutthroat. Cut a nigga head off, he looking like you Bumbo. Smoking like double Dutch, all you niggas jump rope. Surf in the double cup.
Double Dutch, all you need is jump rope. You know, okay, he's boring. Okay, he's boring. All right, let's go.
Up through punch like knuckles. All my niggas up though. Bands on bands in my pants, that's a drum roll. Elephant memory, but I can't remember her though. All my bitches
Elephants remember me, but I can't remember her though. You know, elephants don't forget. He's like, they remember me, but I don't remember her though. Okay. It's a play on that. All right, Wayne. All right. Let's go.
Elephant memory, but I can't remember her though. All my bitches broke. Broke on the back like Michael Jackson and buckles. Stay on the track and I'ma have to go Dumbo. They gon' go uh-oh. Elephant in the room, but I can't sit out the jungle. Got some fucking jumbo. Big face hundos. A bitch got an elephant booty, not a rump roast. It's that gas man's face, ass straight gun smoke. Niggas with the mad face, smash face, snub nose. I ain't snuffing up against, but you could get snuffed though, the jungle. Talking legit is irrelevant.
Wait. Is he rapping over elephant sounds? I thought that was just a little. He's actually rapping over elephant sounds. He's actually, bro. Already the beat sounds like a freaking stampede of elephants. Already, it's all over the place, right? I'm bopping to it a little because I'm trying to kind of get into the pocket of the song. But as soon as I hear the, I'm out of it. The is completely fucking with my ears, man. The freaking elephant sound. And he's rapping over it. He's rapping over elephant sounds. I get about you experimenting with beats, Wayne, but this is the Carter 6, man. You're supposed to pop up and show niggas, bro. Pop out and show niggas, man. Not this. This is, if you're trying to be creative, I hear you, bro. But rapping over elephant sounds is not it. It's not it, bro. This is not it. Oh my God, man. I thought that was just a little, but it's actually part of the song. You can hear it. I've heard it like 3 times already. Oh my, it's taking me out of it, man. And then I'm trying to bop to try and find something, but bro, nah. Nah, that ain't it, son. That, oh my god, oh my god.
Talking melody is irrelevant. You need to just peanuts to the elephant. I'm the wrong elephant to fuck with. You know I'm the type to buy the trunk quick. Yeah, pop the trunk, pop the trunk. All red elephant, bitch, dying the trunk. But I still act a donkey like, what's up? Run up on this elephant and I'ma pop the trunk. Tell her out, it's up to run this fucking mile, I knock him out, this running shoe. Eat a woman, I'll kick her out, my little shoe. Ooh, she got junk in the trunk, got my junk too. Walk like an elephant, talk like a president, shop like my etiquette. Sword, I'ma shit this shit, I walk like a veteran. Walk on my veteran, explore like a pelican, explore. I sing yelling, I'm sure.
Oh my god, man, come on, wait, what's going on here? What's with the elephant sound? What is with the elephant sound, man? What's with the elephant sound? Oh my god. Wow. I'm trying to get the bars, but the elephant sound, the beat is completely spinning me. I'm trying to get into the pocket of the song, and and then oh no. Oh, come on, man. This is wow. Wow.
It's like cough. I need medicine, go hard like a Mexican sauce, like some gelatin, they delicate. Peanuts to the elephant, make peanut butter jelly. Then stalking like a predator, but running on a jellyfish. On your belly, bitch. Face down, ass up. I need leverage. Numbers don't lie, let's about the measurements. You used to be a skeleton, and she an elephant. Talking about that shit, it's irrelevant. You nigga just peanuts to the elephant. And I'm the wrong elephant to fuck with. You know I'm the type to pop the trunk with. Pop the trunk, all red elephant, bitch, dying no trunk. But I still act a donkey like, what's up? Run up on this elephant, I'ma pop the trunk. Run up on this elephant, I'ma pop the trunk, all red elephant, dying no trunk, all red elephant, dying no trunk. I still act a donkey like, what's up?
It literally sounds like a herd of elephants stampeding on this beat. I'm like, bro, that's what it sounds like to me. If you hear it, it sounds like freaking elephants are stampeding. Ah. And you know what's funny? I'm trying to actually listen to what he's saying, but I'm so distracted by what's going on that I'm not even paying attention, bro. It's just whizzing by. That's why I'm not pausing it that much. Wow,
Pop the trunk, I'm a red elephant like no trunk, but I still act a donkey, bitch. What's up, bitch? What's up, bitch? It's up, yeah. Bitch, it's up, tell her it's up, get the hit up. Get the hit up, get the shit up, shut up. What up, though? I'm a nigga cutthroat. Cut your fucking head off. He looking like he's Trumbo.
Easy out of here. Easy. All right, you know what? Yeah, I'm. Okay, I've never thought I would ever hear music like that from Wayne. That was a slog to get through, a slog. And like I said, if you are one of those people, oh, you know, don't criticize Wayne, man. I'm not being mean to him, not whatever. Objectively speaking, that song is not a good song, bro. It's not. The production is off. How the elephant sound and how things are going in it. It doesn't mesh. I don't get it. Like it's not really creative. It's just a mess. It's like noise. You know what I mean? It's just a mess. And he's rapping over it. And I guarantee you, he's barring and doing one cool thing. But I'm so distracted by what's going on that I can't. You get me? Bro, that was hard. Like I wanted the song to be over. Which is, you know what I mean? I don't hold it in this one. I wanted it to be over. Like, just let's get it over with. That was hard. Wow, Wayne, bro, this ain't it, bro. What were you doing, mate? You listened to this and you approved it? Like how? What made you think people would listen to be like, oh yeah, this is a pop? No. Now I get why people are trashing the album. I've only heard 2 songs, like 2 of the worst songs on the album. I'm still gonna react to the best songs on the album and just hope it kind of balances. But the way people are trashing the album, bro, I don't know. I'm worried about the best songs now. I'm still gonna react to them, but I'm worried now. I might do more reactions to the worst songs just to get my head around it, you know what I mean? But bro, right now, bro, wow. I hope the album isn't like this. Because if it's like this, more of this, then nah, bro. Wayne, you out of pocket, fam. You are out of pocket. If the album is like this is wow. Man, I was so hyped for this, man. I'm now worried for the best songs that I'm going to react to. I'm worried now. Because I was hyped for this. And my colleagues and my co-workers, man, like I said, I trust their judgment, man, and they've not steered me wrong yet. On this channel, give me little things to react to here and there, you know what I mean? Those guys know that we have the same kind of taste. And we're all huge Wayne fans. So for them to hear the whole album and say, bro, it's trash, it's trash. And these 2 songs, bro, are not good. They're fucking horrible. Absolutely horrible, man. There's nothing in these 2 songs where you go, nothing. Zilch, zip, nada. To me. So again, I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate in the comment section for that. It is what it is. I'm being objective here. If I'm hyped, you see me hype for Wayne. You've seen me. So you know. You know what I mean? If it's good, I'll hype it up to hell, bro. But right now, man, I said this album was gonna be a problem. It might be a problem. It might be dangerous, but in the wrong way. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Q Nation, that was the reaction. I'm sorry that I wasn't going crazy. You know how I do on my channel, but if it's not good, I'm very objective, and you know what I mean? You've seen it before. I'm objective, man. I say, what's up? These are not good songs. They're not, as a song, it's not good at all. Even he's saying some things here and there, some lines, cool. But as a full song, they're not good. They're not getting to me, you know? I have no feels, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, Q Nation, like I said, that's a reaction, man. Oh my gaze. Oh man. Anyway, please, if you enjoyed my reaction, I know it wasn't as usual, but if you enjoyed my reaction, please hit the big like button. If you want to see more reaction, please subscribe to the channel, and please hit the notification bell. It's updated every time I drop a video. Please leave a comment down below, and please share the videos. Have a good time. Let's have a vibe. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, by God's grace, God help us. I'll see you on the next one, and I hope I bring a better reaction, man. But this, right, bro, this was not it. This was, yeah, man. This was trash. This was trash. These 2 songs ain't it. Cutthroat my butt. That was cutthroat. Trash. You know what I'm saying? Bruh. Anyway, I could keep going. It's alright. I'm done. So Q Nation, by God's grace, I'll see you in the next one. To all my subscribers, everyone watching me, I love you all so much. You're awesome, awesome people. Thank you so much, man, for your support as usual. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully be better. Jesus. Bye.